Adam Amos. I'm the founder of Robotic Systems. We're a design agency and we specialise in the design and manufacture of new types of AI-powered tech hardware. Innovation in my world is where a commercial need meets a technical capability. The intersection of those points, that's what innovation is. So the sort of stuff we're building at the moment is we've built a new type of weed geolocation system for the farming industry, where we're able to use cameras and lasers and high precision GPS to create new types of sensors that go on drone aircraft. They're ultimately able to discern a living from dead plant down to the size of a 50-cent piece from 60 meters in the air. And then when we find that plant, we give it a latitude, longitude, height, and tell a boom sprayer exactly where that is, and the boom sprayer comes along and just sprays the weed rather than spraying the whole field. What we have is a technical competency goal, and what we're trying to do by the year 2030 is build the ultimate piece of industrial tech hardware, and to us, that looks like satellite systems. What would a business look like that could actually build a satellite and have it go into space and have it work for 24 hours? What customers would it have, what size would it have be, what facilities would it have to actually make that reality? And so that's our goal, 2030, putting something designed or manufactured at Robotic Systems. My objective as the founder is to try to find us better and better projects to solve. We're not just going to jump in and start building, satellites tomorrow, but with consistent effort and building up to those, kind of doing more and more technically complex and involved projects, eventually, over the next 7 years, we will get there. Often, if the thing you're building doesn't work, that's only part, of the value, right? The lessons you've learned along the way actually are the bits of, value that nobody can take away from you. In Newcastle, it's quite different from Sydney in terms of, degrees of separation between you and decision makers. In Sydney, a lot of the good opportunities, they're already sewn up. In Newcastle, it's the city for the young. I moved the business up to Newcastle, and fast forward to today, we're a team of 18. As long as I'm the director of Robotic Systems, we're going to be here.